So today I was trying to run an experiment and it was about giving memory to my browser. The idea is that basically it can understand what I'm browsing and build a hyper-personalized context knowledge graph. So this is right now what it looks like from a couple of pages that I already viewed. So now let's see in action how it works. So let's say if I am reading about MCP and agents, and if I interact enough, if I scroll the page enough, go deep, then this timeline extension will understand, extract key things, give me high-level summary on this. We'll do everything in background, and you can see it already pops and say agentic AI governance, and it has already taken up that information about MCPs and agent. And now if we go back into our graph and try to see, this was the previous state. If I refresh it, now it should have something related to MCP. And here we can see that it has Agentic AI Foundation, Anthropic, and all this subset of a graph was just captured and stored using this article. Now let me read another article if I'm interested into like reading on Kimi K2 training it locally using Onslaught. So this is a tutorial article on it. Similarly, in the previous article, now the timeline extension will observe my behavior in terms of like I have already read this paper and now it summarized and says run Kimi locally as a high level thing about this page. And now this has already been ingested into the memory now. So if I go back into my memory and if I try to refresh it, I should be able to see the content related to Kimi. So here we go. Kimi K2 thinking, Llama 2 integrates with Onslaught documentation. So this is just a high level key elements of what it extracted and connected the metadata across different browsing things that I was doing, and now it has a memory. And now I can use this memory to build a personalized agent that can understand my behavior and respond as recent as possible because now it has a memory of what I'm browsing and exploring.